Top of the morning, folks. It is St. Patrick's Day. It's actually almost not St. Patrick's Day, but it is still St. Patrick's Day. And I've got my green on. Check out my shirt. Look at that. I'm all festive and whatnot.
That looks so good.
This looks good on me, doesn't it? I am like ready to go. This is my second favorite holiday. I bet you don't know what my first holiday. Yeah, it's actually a pretty cool holiday. So,
what's your first? Your birthday?
My first? No, Halloween. But
yeah.
But but this is it's St. Patrick's Day, folks. So grab a green beverage, whatever you want, and sit back, watch us trade. We are going to be talking about things that are green, your favorite things that are green. There's a lot of things that are green. Green is actually my favorite color in general.
Okay, man. But first, I'm going to go get a 4-leaf clover out of my yard right now. That was great. That was so great. Yeah. You know what? Tonight I got a cold, so I might go like this. All right, folks. We're gonna win 12 wins.
You sound like an evil leprechaun.
We're gonna win 12 wins.
Yeah. Now, everybody first notice that Eric is not wearing any green today.
I never do, and you always get all weird about it.
I don't know how he's expecting the luck of the Irish with
Top
no
of the
green
morning
on.
to you. So I'm just gonna talk in an Indian accent all night.
Wait, Indian accent. What does that have to do? He didn't even know anything about St. Patrick's Day.
I'm going to talk about an Indian accent.
Yeah, let's just offend the all the people that are watching us from India right now, and there's a lot of them. But
yeah.
we can do that after we can do that after
you.
we look at Cisco. Go look at Cisco real quick. Since we got
welcome
12,
you, our friends in India.
Yeah, I don't think they would, like your accent, but who knows? What do you think of think of Cisco?
I think it is very nice.
Let's wait and see what you better stop that. You're killing you're harshing my buzz here.
What harshing your buzz on what?
Because it's St. Patrick's Day. Talking an Irish accent.
It looks very nice. I can't talk hardly at all, man.
I can tell. I can tell.
It's like the worst podcast voice ever.
Kind of is.
So maybe instead of making voices, I'll just talk really slow like this and real calm. Cisco looks like it's heading back up there, folks.
Kind of does. So I guess we'll be surfing around trying to find something else here. What you looking at?
I don't know. Pfizer, but I'm just going to have to draw some lines. A lot of resistance coming down on Pfizer. Support, I mean. Got some good support.
Yeah, it's not real super nice looking, but...
Oh, wow. And FedEx is just bouncing between these lines forever. Ooh, whoa, wait a minute. Okay. I'm just drawing resistance where I see some...
yeah, last night, if you didn't catch it, we won our 12. There was a naysayer. I won't mention who he is, but his initials are Matthew Eakins. He's my son-in-law.
Why would he naysay?
He's like
amazing.
He was like, they'll never make 12 wins. And so he went to bed. He fell asleep. He's like, yeah, they're not going to do it. And
when did he give up? Like after 6? Because he saw our 6. They were killer.
Yeah, and then he came into my house today. He hadn't talked to Haley, my daughter, about it. And I was like, yeah, guess what? We won 12. I heard you said we couldn't do it. We did it. And we're going to do it again tonight.
Yeah.
And so that is 9% growth, in case you're wondering.
Yeah, we got to find something that's wide open. Join our inner circle. Take our online course. Dive in with Diver Dave if you want to, if you feel like you want to do this.
But whatever you do, do not try to follow us if you're watching us live. Do not try to copy what we're doing.
Don't do this at home.
Check out well, Boeing, I'm not sure about it. It doesn't look like it's going to turn into much, but because it's going up to another resistance. But
although McDonald's maybe, and I've been watching Boeing. It's kind of too snaky, but McDonald's is not necessarily snaky. Look at look at McDonald's.
It is in an uptrend. Yeah, this
it's at a line right now though, so I mean maybe we give it a little time.
Draw out that line. And yeah, let's see what it does from here. If it goes past this, this could be kind of promising here. So
it is spread out and it is heading up.
Yeah, we've kind of
been in a long uptrend, kind of. If it can get past this line of support and keep going, then we're
the
good.
Entry points are the hard part. That's where we lose. So how much are we trading tonight? What is our first trade?
That's $1.10.
$1.10. Okay.
Cisco is in free fall. And Cisco did head back down. I'd like to keep my eye on Cisco, and I'm going to take this off now, obviously. I'd like to keep my eye on Cisco, actually. In fact, I think Cisco could be a good entry right now.
Do you want to enter on McDonald's or Cisco?
I want to enter on Cisco in 15 seconds. I don't know. 2. Yeah, McDonald's is still there's more resistance. Oh crap! There's more resistance in McDonald's. I'm entering Cisco.
Okay.
Was that Cisco? Yeah.
That was Cisco.
There's more resistance in McDonald's. If you look at McDonald's, it's above resistance, but it's just not. I mean, it's been more snaky.
Right. McDonald or Cisco is kind of free falling. So.
Yeah, Cisco is sort of. Oh, and it's in the money.
It is in the money.
Let's go back and look at it. Cisco's got some up pressure. It's got a couple. It's got like 4 or 5 red, a green, 4 or 5 red, a green, 2 little greens. Then it's got more red. It's underneath its thing. I don't know. I don't have very good podcast voice today. Does it sound kind of funny listening to me? How about you guys out there in the...
It is kind of funny. I don't know that I would re-enter on Cisco, but maybe, I mean...
I don't know if I can.
I don't know how it's even going to end here, unless it goes back down. Come on, shoot down. Oh, no. Well... Okay. Well,
yes, okay.
Now, had we done McDonald's, let's see what prize we would have won.
Let's see what
we would have lost there too, I think.
Yeah, I think McDonald's is not quite ripe enough. We may be too far gone on Cisco. I need to hit this button if I need to cough. If you see me coughing on the show but you can't hear it, it's because I've just figured out I have a mute button on my mixer.
I'm not close enough to my mixer, so I just try to back away from the mic if necessary.
Oh, look at
Pfizer's kind of weird, but I don't know.
I think Cisco is. I think we could re-enter on Cisco. It's got a red candle.
It does.
I don't know.
Is there any resist or any support there?
No, that's what I mean. Look way back here. There's nothing.
Okay.
You know, it's pretty much already. It's already tanking.
Do you want to still get in on it, or you want to wait for the next candle?
I think we better wait for the next candle now, right? Mm-hmm. I mean,
yeah, that's kind of the method. Yeah.
We're looking for like 2 in a row. It's been going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 2.
So we kind of need 3.
Kind of need 3. We could wait even another because
they're getting kind of narrow though. It looks like.
Yeah. Yeah, the MACD has kind of run its course on this one. I wouldn't mind just waiting. I mean, we don't have to get back in on this one. We can't now anyway because it's green. We can just watch it for 15 minutes. Actually, McDonald's might. Okay, McDonald's is above. Okay, McDonald's has. I'm going to draw one more line on McDonald's to be careful, but McDonald's might actually be going way up, dude. You've got. McDonald's is decent, actually.
Look at Amazon. Is it setting up for a big downfall here? Or is it just going down? It's broken past a little support line.
Yeah, there's too many levels of support with this. I mean, you got this one, and any time that thing's going to turn around, look at it. I mean, it's got this one down here. It's possible. I mean, it's got a level of resistance right here, right there. You know, like it's too strong. I think McDonald's we got a red candle. Still pointing up. McDonald's is spread apart.
You got your next trade amount set.
Yeah. Is it Boeing? No. Yeah, see, McDonald's might be turning around too.
Yeah.
Would you say Amazon? Yeah, Amazon might be. I still think there's too many levels of support on the way down here. We need something that's more wide open.
Dang, Visa, it looks terrible.
Right? Don't you think so? I mean,
yeah, there is a lot of.
FedEx. Let's look at FedEx for a minute. Oh, FedEx is above that line. FedEx went weird. Let's see.
There's a lot of alternating colors, though. It's not real safe.
On FedEx? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see that.
Same with Citigroup. Citigroup, though, looks like it's turning around to go back down.
Boeing. Nobody's breaking out yet. Nobody's breaking out nowhere yet.
What about Citigroup? It's both coming out of overbought.
No, Citigroup is
I don't know.
crazy. I mean, look at it. It's like, where's it going? Up, you think? Maybe up to there? But it's got tons of...
Well, I thought it was turning around back down and going to go down, but maybe not.
Remember, we're looking for wide open...
Yeah, we are looking for a long trend that's just kind of...
Wide open, long downtrends. Nothing is setting up for that yet.
Or an uptrend, either one.
Yeah. Johnson & Johnson, I mean, might be able to... might set up as a down.
So while we're looking for crap, what's your favorite things that are green?
Stuff. Jolly Ranchers, maybe.
You like green Jolly Ranchers, and what flavor is that?
It's green apple. What's wrong with you?
Oh, I knew that. I just wanted to see if everybody else knew. I mean, we got people watching that are not all with it. So
maybe, I bet there's people watching that haven't had a Jolly Rancher ever in their life.
That's probably true.
What's that?
They used to give them out in school when we were there, and now kids just get
they did?
Like sugar-free crap. At school. Yeah, you can't even get sugar in a lot of schools now.
Really?
Yeah, they've become like that.
Oh, they used to have candy at school. Now they have nothing.
Yeah, I think so. You can't buy sugary stuff at school
anymore. Oh, I remember a couple of years ago, maybe even 10. They took out all the pop soda machines or something.
Yeah. So, I'm just circling these charts, and nothing's breaking out anywhere.
No. I'm going to go to currencies because none of these look like anything.
Oh, yeah. I didn't even think about that. I didn't even think to do that.
Oh, there's only 2 in 80.
There's only 2 in 80% payout.
We got some commodities, too. We're going to have to just wait and find one.
Well, okay. USD RUB, it's in a downtrend. But it's...
I guess it is.
It's kind of at some support here.
We could... I don't think this one will be a good setup because, indicators, it's already gone down and now they're kind of buried. So... Brent oil,
man, we missed out.
Yeah, Brent oil, on the down end we did, but now it's on the upside. It's possible that Brent oil, if Brent oil starts going up, then I don't know.
What about crude? Crude is it's in consolidation kind of, but it was a big up for a while, it looks like.
Yeah, it is not positioned correct either. Let's see. Silver just went crazy.
I was just looking at gold, actually. Gold is I don't know what to make of that.
There's a lot of snakes. I mean,
Yeah, I guess we're back to that. Silver.
that's all right. We'll find one. We
Yeah,
know
we
exactly
will.
what we're looking for.
In the meantime, do you like green grass? Do you like
Green
those?
grass. Yeah. I like green weed. Yeah.
I wasn't talking about that.
That's what it sounded like.
You don't have
I
to
like-
relive your high school
Hey,
days.
you like green grass? Sounds like something somebody used to say. They drive by the van and come out in the neighborhood. Hey, you like green grass?
Yeah. You know what I like? I like green candles when they're all in a row and they're just happening one right after another.
Oh, yeah. I thought you were talking about like Bed Bath and Beyond.
Yeah. Now if you head over to American Express, you'll see a lot of green.
Will I?
Yeah. Now whether or not we're going to keep going green here, I don't know. But
Oh, yeah, dude. Yeah, I like
but
American
this could
Express.
turn into something, you know? I mean, it could.
Yeah, no,
What's
this
our
could.
next trade? Do you have it set and what
Yeah,
is
it's
it?
$2.40.
Okay.
American Express has has all the characteristics. The MACD is heading up and from a low position.
Mm-hmm.
If it can break through this white line,
Yeah, that's going to be the question. Is this going to go up? Haley says that green apple is her favorite. So,
Green Apple Jolly Ranchers.
yeah. Anybody else watching that you like green apple? Let us know in the comments what your favorite green things are. What are some green things that you like?
Ooh, I think Brent oil is actually. Yeah, I think we ought to. I think
Probably
we
one of
oughta-
my favorites is money. I like money. Money's green.
Yeah, money. Yeah, Brent oil looks nice, kind of with the indicators, but it's a little bit jagged in terms of.
A little bit. Yeah.
If it breaks up though, it could keep going. The MACD is headed in the right direction. Yeah. And actually, USDRUB. Still, it's not our method. It's kind of like double crossed from the bottom. It might.
I
Yeah.
don't trust that though. I
Yeah,
trust
right.
it.
It's not super trustworthy, but it is look like it could go all the way up and just go straight through the white line. It'd be nerve-wracking for sure.
Anything that's playing around with the white line is not something I'm real interested in.
Uh-huh. Crude is on the right it's in the right direction, kind of, at least. Oh man. Gold is headed in the right direction right now.
Crude looks like it could go down, but
Yeah. Right, it's on the right side of it. Look at gold though.
how is oil of any kind going down right now? I'm
I don't
just
know.
curious.
Look at gold though. Do you want to think about gold? If this crosses over and starts to, this is something that might actually work.
But what scares me is it's been snaking a lot.
Right. I'd have to see gold really do something interesting.
I'm going to
Have
have
to
to
see
see
it.
this turn into a pattern before I can get in on it.
Right.
Right now I'm seeing a lot of pressure, but the harder they come up, the harder they fall.
Yeah. And it is snaking. I'm going to look at that because gold is, what did you say before? Crude is on the, yeah, okay, so crude is actually in the right direction. It's underneath the long average. It is going down. It is turning around. And I think that one, the only problem with it when you really look at it is there's tons of green and red back and forth.
Right. That's what
until
scares
it
me.
until it really widens out because it hasn't widened out yet. Okay, so those American Express, man, I don't know. I think we should get in on it.
That's
Look
what
at
I was looking at before, and I was waiting for it to break out of the.
It's kind of
There's a
broken
lot
out.
of. It has an awful lot of
I don't know, it's
wicks.
got-
A
yeah,
lot of wicks both ways.
yeah, but the
But
MACD
it's-
is wide open, and this is crossing through. So if we think it's going to go through, right now it's kind of. I don't think we should take this next one, but like maybe in a couple more candles.
Yeah, if it proves, that it's going up. I mean,
It's-
right now it's not really confirmed it.
I think it's my number one chart if it actually confirms it's up.
Because right now it
pressure.
looks like consolidation to me.
Yeah. Man, USD RUB has been going up, and it's going to keep going up. snaky though. It's at resistance. I can't trust these snaking
And it's
charts.
at the white line. Yeah,
Ooh,
if they're
ooh.
snaking, then
Man, dang.
what were you fixing to say?
Euro RUB is fixing to be almost.
This could end up being something here. Yeah, I mean it's.
I'm going to draw. There's a lot way back. There's a lot of lines of resistance, but
Do you want to get in on the next one, or you think it's going to turn around?
no, it's too dangerous right now. But I think it's opened up. It's at a line of resistance right now.
Okay.
But I think it's worth watching because the indicators are so completely tanked. Like maybe the next one because it's past that resistance line. Yeah, it's got. I don't know, man. There's hardly any wicks on this one. Everything's kind of tanking down, except the stochastic is kind of cricking up.
Yeah, I see that.
But I think it's going to push down. I think we should take it, maybe. I don't know if it's red.
It looks like it's got a lot of pull.
Yeah, I feel like it's like due for a green candle. But then after that, I think we're safe.
I wouldn't get in on the next one because it looks like it could go green.
It's sort of
here
at a
the next
bottom.
one.
It's sort of at a support level right now. But
yeah,
I think it's
even
gonna
this
go
one
down.
would possibly be a loss for us if we had taken it. Yep, it would have been.
Right.
Yeah, it pulled up pretty hard there.
But if the stochastic can cross back down, I think like it may go up a couple.
Does it look like it's okay? Let me flip over to the other view here.
It's
So
kind
I'm
of
looking-
consolidating a
okay,
little
so
bit.
now I'm
right?
looking at your screen. Green apple Skittles. Yeah, those are good. Well, show me that line way back there. What line is it at right now?
It's at this line right here.
Oh yeah. I see
and then
that.
it's a pretty strong line. We got to wait for it to break that.
And it's kind of struggling to get through it.
yeah. Then there's
Nothing's
a whole,
really. Yeah.
Then there's this one way
It's
far
been
back there.
been a long ways back there since it's broke through that line.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll keep watching that one. Oh man, American Express. No. Look, we thought American Express was going to be heading up, but it's actually not, which is actually better for us. American Express is all double crossed down right now. It's past its major line of resistance.
Yeah.
I actually think that we could take this one.
You think we can get in on this?
I think the next candle, yeah. But it's kind of double crossed down. It's got some resistance sort of down there, but not. I guess it's sort of at a line of resistance right here, maybe. Like where it flattened out, but it's kind of
Has
below
it pulled
that.
through it?
Yeah, it's below that. I think we should take this one.
Okay, well then let's.
I mean, it's crossing down. It's not wide open yet, but I don't know.
There's not a lot of wicks going up, so yeah. I mean, it's a decent sized candle.
I'm not sure because it isn't sort of like all spread out. Opened.
Well, no, now it's showing signs of pulling up, so I would
Yeah,
wait.
I'm not taking this one. I think it still might go down, but
That's
I'd
an
really
awfully
like
big wick there.
I'd like to see. I'd like to see a couple charts that are just really spread open.
Right. And
These are still tangled up. Really, if this can break through and open up like it did right here, I mean, we could win our 8 or 9 wins right here.
right.
We're in the right position, kinda, but not really. It's gonna have to do more than that for me.
Yeah, I'm just thinking we need to be patient and find the right one because when we find it, Cisco is still just consistently going down. In fact, it's got a nice red candle here, but that could also mean that it's pulling up. But MACD and stochastic are both like way down there. So
Yeah, it's got 3. It's got 1. I would take this one.
okay,
Let's wait on it. Let's take the next one, I guess. Yeah, I think.
depends on what this one does because since we're not in on this one, it's not pushing down as hard. It might start,
But I
though.
think
Yep.
you're right, though. It's got quite a bit of down pressure. It's underneath. Let me check for resistance. It's far under any resistance. Yeah, this one, well, this is some, I'm not sure what this is, but this level down here is something important. Yeah, it's down under. It's been going down. It caught up. Go down. Go down. Yeah.
Is it due for a green candle soon? It's been getting them like every.
I think we could. I don't know. I mean, these are spread apart.
We've got 8 seconds. Quick decision here.
Well, if this is green, then you want to take it?
Sure.
I took it.
All right. It's only a second trade, but I think it's going to go down ultimately.
Well, yeah. I mean, look at this. Look at this chart. I mean, it's going down. I guess it doesn't have a lot of, it doesn't have a lot of resistance there.
It doesn't have a lot of pressure, but it all it has to do is go down just a little bit because we got kind of a good position on it. So
I'm going to erase this.
I mean, if it can just pull down a little ways, then, then we got it.
Yeah, it looks like it's stuck, but it's in the money now, so it is very small. It's 15 seconds. It's like stuck there. It's like 10 seconds. It's kind of stuck. Like 5, 7, 8, 6 seconds, 5, 4 seconds, 3, 2. There you go. 1 in the money, baby. In the money.
Got it.
Yeah.
That is what I'm talking about.
Bam, baby. Yeah, these candles are kind of small, but the indicators are right. But I don't like this chart anymore.
Yeah, we got to win off of it, but that's as far as we're going with this one for now.
Yeah, it's not.
We need one that's just wide open that we can go for and get a good solid like 7
Look
or 8
at crude
wins
oil.
off of.
You got 20 seconds on crude. It doesn't have much support. It's got big wicks, but the MACD is coming out of the right space. I don't know. I feel like the next one's going to pull down. It's not far enough away from that red white line for me. Okay. If the yellow line can get up there. I think crude actually might go into a free fall, a free rise. It might just start rising. Because of the position of the MACD, I really like crude right now. I think if it keeps going up, we could probably win, quite a few. The yellow hasn't got through though yet, has it? And the white line hasn't turned around yet. So, but if MACD keeps going
yellow
that direction,
is straight. So, and I think it's probably all those wicks that's keeping it there.
Yeah, there's.
I would like to see less wicks at the top and bottom. Just in general. Okay, this is showing some.
What, crude?
Yeah, I'm on crude right now.
Yeah, I think just be patient.
Here we go.
Here.
Okay.
I mean, MACD is crossed and MACD is rising. It's possible. I
would almost take a dip on this. Like while it's down there.
Now.
Yeah, go ahead. Get in on that.
I think MACD is rising.
There we go. Yeah, that's a good position.
It's a real good position. So if this is another good green candle, let's enter again on the 1 second.
Yeah, exactly. I would just jump right back in on the next one. This could be our our green right here, man.
This could be it. It's got some resistance lines. You can see, but it still might have 5 or 6 candles on the way up. That's a big old fat candle. You think I should be back in on it?
I don't know because that might have some pullback on the next candle.
I'm gonna go for it because it's the method.
Okay, that is the method. You're right.
It could finally give us a red candle, but if it's gonna do what I think it's gonna do, the MACD is all indicating up, so it could just keep going up.
Right.
We may not get a red candle.
3, 2, 1, and happy dance.
Happy dance, man. That's a win. That's a win. We're gonna get another one here. Let's write that in. Win and win.
And we've got 25 seconds. This one is doing well so far. It's kind of hovering there. Hoping for a big burst of up pressure here on this guy.
I don't want too much. I want it to stay. I want it to stay kind of average because I want to take another bid.
Yeah, I think it'll be a win, and then we can get right back in.
4,
3, 2,
2.
and happy
Ooh, I
dance.
got the dip on that one. Win and another happy dance for another win, folks. Right here.
Are we at 3 wins now? Is that correct?
Yeah, we're at 3 wins. This could consolidate. Welcome back. This is going to be a second live stream. Our stream just shut down mid trade. We're going to lose this trade though, so no silly business here. Looks like this will be a loss, and that's okay. I don't know why that's never happened before. Our stream shut down. It may not even interrupt, depending on the.
Yeah, I'm wondering if it interrupted. Did it?
We still got viewers, so it probably didn't. So 240, that was a loss. So we're at a second trade. This one isn't going to make it any further. Darn it. So let's revisit some of the ones that we were.
Yeah, I don't think it interrupted our stream.
No, it's buffering out minutes and minutes. So, ooh, dude, go to silver. Is silver enough? Is silver enough? I think it is. I think we can go on a down bid on silver.
Yeah, it's not got any support right there, so.
Right, and it's all the indicators are the right direction. Oh, that's not good.
That wasn't good, but it pulled up a little bit.
Well, I still think it's going to go down because the MACD is down.
It is looking like it wants to go down though.
We don't have any resistance until down here. It looks like these are spreading apart and this is turning around. I mean, it has been going down and then up, down, and then
that's
up,
going down, bro. That's going down.
Okay, I think it will too. So I'm going to reset my bid for 110. In case this wins, we're going to take another. Right? Because this is
going to be a winner. There's no way that this is
going to be winner,
win.
wiener, chicken diener. And because of the indicators and the turnaround and there's no support here, let's take another one.
I would absolutely get right back in. Unless it, for some odd reason, goes
it's not
green, but that ain't going to happen.
And there's another win, folks. That'll be the 4th win tonight. We need a lot more, though. We need a 12 total. Let's do a happy dance for that one. Make you hear this noise and get so excited. Back on 41 seconds. A little bit of worrying indicators, but I still think this is going down. I think we still got a couple more wins on this one.
That's what I like to see. It is just pulling along there. This could turn into a big.
Yeah, I think this has the except the stochastic is acting a little funny, but the MACD is solid. It's coming out of that high position. It's coming down. It's opened up. Let's see if this is going to be a win. We'll take another one. 10, 9. We got 5 seconds on our trade. 4, 2, 1. There we go. There's another win, folks.
There's another win and another
5.
happy dance.
Okay, St. Patrick's Day. Happy St. Patrick's Day to you. We're on 5 wins. This one's opening up beautifully. This is opening up really beautifully, actually.
Oh, yeah.
I think.
Aaron Gobra, everybody. Whatever that means.
What's that?
Huh?
What does that mean?
I don't know. Ireland forever or something. I don't know. I didn't say that to turn things green. No,
Yeah,
go back
get
back
off
to
the
red.
Ireland. Go back to red now.
Go back to red.
That's the first candle with a wick, with any wick. 10 seconds. We got actually we got 10 seconds now. 9, 8. You think it's gonna go red? Yeah. 5 seconds.
Yeah, come on,
4,
pull down,
3,
pull down, pull down, pull
2,
down, pull down,
2,
down,
1,
no,
and that's
no.
a loss.
Well, that happens.
That's okay. 240 is our next trade. I still think this one's got some.
I don't
room
think it's
left on
over.
it.
I don't. I mean,
No, I don't either.
I want to think it's not over anyway.
It's been kind of going down up. The stochastic might go up for like 1 or 2 candles, but I think we'll keep watching that one. Come back to it in a couple minutes. See if I can find anything else that's just really tanking or really going up. Yeah, we're going to come back to silver in a moment. Just going to let it... Ooh, no. Too much snake. Too much snaking going on in a lot of these charts. Look at Boeing. Oh, that's... Boeing's just been bouncing between these two lines for the last 45 minutes.
Okay. Crude looks like it could be in a setup here.
Set up for what?
To go down.
Oh, go down.
I mean, this could turn into a big down.
Well, yeah, you're right. It's going...
I mean,
going
everything is... Look at the way the blue line is cricked at the top. Look at the way... okay, y'all just froze for a second, came right back. Okay. But we are back. That's the important thing.
Yeah, crude might be. It's been doing a lot of snaking, but there's a lot of... But if that MACD crosses and these keep going, then maybe. Silver's... Okay, silver has had its 2 green candles, and it might be heading back down.
What are we on, silver?
We're on silver. We were just winning on that downtrend. Not sure.
Okay, yeah, let's watch this for a second because
Yeah, because I don't... This
it
candle's
looks like
probably
a
not
consolidation candle, possibly.
Yeah.
Which is the only reason why I might not get in on it because
Yeah, not yet. Not
this
yet.
one could turn green and be about the same size. It looks like it could consolidate here. Not that I want it to, but it could.
Yeah, but it's really nice. Just keep watching it because if it does what we think it's going to do, we might get our other wins.
Oh, look at that. A new achievement on pocket option.
Oh,
You've got
wow.
a new achievement. Made at least one trade on silver. That's an accomplishment,
Oh,
apparently.
yeah, that's good. Dude, Cisco looks pretty good too, actually. It's kind of at a bottom level. I like Cisco. You want to take Cisco? I want to take Cisco.
Let me check it out.
You only
here.
got 3 seconds.
Okay. If you think
not-
so, go for it.
It's not all the way opened up yet, so I'm gonna wait since you didn't look at it. We don't have to be in a big hurry. I'm gonna wait. But
Okay.
look at it. Look at it. If this line crosses and it keeps going down, it's possible Cisco just goes. I mean, it's already tanking. It's gotten some. Oh man, silver's not doing what we think. It's not doing what we think.
What's
Neither is
silver
this one
doing?
yet. It's going back up.
Is it?
It's still consolidating. Yeah.
So we're at 5 wins. We've got 1 loss.
Yeah, Cisco. If Cisco turns around right here, though, and the blue and yellow cross and start to widen, I think we could be.
Looking at a gold mine.
Maybe because there's not a lot of resistance and it's already way down there. In other words, it could just keep going. Oh, the only resistance line is way back here. That still probably matters, though. We're talking about this line of resistance right here, way back there. But look how all the indicators are down.
Okay. Cisco just crossed.
I think Cisco should go down on Cisco right here. I think we can rely on a couple more red candles.
Okay.
It's going to cross the back. As long as this candle doesn't do anything stupid.
Yeah, it's got a bit of a wick on it. and
Yeah.
it's kind of leveling off with this green one that was before it. If it's
Right.
level with that green one, we definitely don't want to get in because that's a sign of consolidation. But
All right.
yeah, this is a no-go.
Yeah. Keep watching it for this next candle. I think it wants to go down. It's been going up a couple green and then going down some red. The indicators are, I mean, if you look at it, honestly, the indicators are kind of converging. They've been wide open. The white line's getting closer to it got up to the white line a little bit. But then again, that's okay because it kind of bounced off the white line.
Right.
And let's watch this wick. Tell me what you think about this pressure.
Well, this one so far is, it's holding down. It's about 30 seconds. So
It's
the
small.
second half is the most important part, I guess.
There's a lot of green candles in this
Looks like
row.
it's going to pull back up, though, maybe. I don't know for sure, but
There's no top wick. I'm not convinced.
not
on
yet.
this one
Now
yet.
there is. Or there will be.
Yeah, I'm not so convinced on this yet, but let's keep watching it because, okay, silver's heading back down.
I'm going to go over.
I'm gonna I'm gonna keep my eye on silver and Cisco, see if they're gonna make a move. I'll let you know. You can look at some other stuff.
Euro RUB.
Your RUB.
Yeah, it's got kind of it's in a down current. It is kind of snaking, but
Wow. Yeah, it doesn't have a lot of no, there's not very many top wicks here. Yeah, I kind of like this one. Bro.
yeah.
I mean, just
Is there
because the
any support lines back there anywhere?
they're kind of far back. You want me in on this one? I mean, that one's pretty.
This one looks pretty stable, so I think this looks kind of safe to get in on. So let's try it.
Yeah, let's try it.
Unless this candle pulls way up, but I don't see that happening.
Only thing is, if this candle bounces, then we'd be in trouble. But this candle, this has been in a pretty decent downtrend. Let's see what happens. We're on a second bid. Man, I like Cisco. I like Cisco a lot.
Yeah,
Yeah, I hope we win this one though.
I hope so.
If we do, I want to re-enter on Cisco. Not on this one. Well, maybe this one. I mean, if this one's kind of toying with us, kind of.
It's kind of deciding what it wants to do, but it's going up then down and up then down.
It's
but
in a nice downtrend, and it keeps going down, going up, going down, going up, going down. I want this one to go down.
It's got to go into the money though first.
Got to get in the money. We got 10 seconds. It's been out of the money most of the time, though. So let's see. Will it push
So
down?
if
We're not going to
it's
re-enter
gonna-
this one. But we got 5 seconds. It looks like it does want to be in the money.
Can I hit
3,
the money?
2, out.
Nope.
Dang it.
Then it goes
Dang
down,
it.
yeah.
Dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it.
Okay, so you were looking at Cisco. Is Cisco still doing what you thought it was doing?
I mean, Cisco's kind of the. It's like there's just a lot of green in there. It was. Oh man, look at this stupid RUB now. Look at it, man. It's just tanking down. I think we should get back in on it.
Okay.
I think because it's been going a lot of reds and then a couple greens, a lot of reds. Look at that.
Yeah,
look
we
at that
picked the
candle.
one candle.
Yeah, I think we should just go ahead and get back in on it because the indicators are right.
Okay.
Right, don't you think? I mean, look at it. Well,
I mean, yeah, it just got one little doji candle in there,
it depends
which
on.
is kind of what it's been doing. I mean, look, it got 2, then a doji, then 3, then a doji.
I'm going
then-
in. Yeah.
Yeah, I would.
It's gutsy. It's a third trade, and it's acting like it wants to go up, but it's been in a free fall. We're gonna have to take a big breather after this one because we're on a 4th bid. Let's just hope we win this one.
Yeah, if we win this one, then we're not on a 4th. Then we're. But this doesn't look good, does it?
But does this look like a wide open downtrend? No, not really. I mean, kinda, but I mean,
Could still go down. I mean, I don't know. I don't think so, but
it's got 15 seconds.
yeah, it's not going down, bro.
All right, well, it's got 6 seconds. It would have to get really crazy and just like tank down.
Yeah, it's not going to happen. It didn't happen.
It didn't happen.
No.
Well, it'll probably be. I'm going to restart this browser because it doesn't seem to be responding to my.
Okay. USD RUB. Bro, check it out. We've been missing out on this one.
Yeah? You want to get in?
Well,
Should I just get in when it goes up high? Because now it's like so low.
well, is it going to keep tanking? I mean, it looks
I don't
like
know.
it's
This one's nerve. I don't want to enter on this ginormous candle unless it goes way up here. You tell me what you think. I mean, I can.
Do you have your trade amount set?
Yeah, it's a 4th trade. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, we should get in on it. If
Till
this
it
bounces
pulls
up, take it.
when it goes green or when it goes.
No, just when it bounces up.
It's got a lot of ups though.
Okay, well then
Wait,
hold off.
wait.
If your gut tells you not to, then
If
don't.
it goes green though, I think because it could go green here. I'm afraid to take it now because it's.
Yeah, well that's why there's two of us. So because we are on a 4th trade, we got to be careful.
I'm paralyzed, my brother. I think we should take it now when it pops up green.
You think so?
Or
How do we know
maybe
it's
just
going to go
wait,
back down?
I'll just wait till it goes to the next candle and see what the indicators do because it is pushing down there really hard. I think I'm getting ready to take it.
But it may go up a little bit.
Yeah, no, I'm not going to take it right now.
The strategy is we wait for the next red one, then enter after that.
Mhm.
That's
Yeah,
the
so-
strategy. So if we're holding to the strategy,
The strategy is also like wide open. This just isn't wide open yet.
it's not.
I mean, that was a great downtrend. If we would have got in on that, like on the double cross, but we would have been close to the white line. We would have been nervous on that.
That's true.
Ooh, Cisco. Again, Cisco. Dang it. What is Cisco doing? Look at it. Do you want to get in on Cisco? Look how many had a little green candle. You got 20 seconds to think about it.
Well, it's
mean-
in a downflow.
It's in a downflow. It's
Everything is pointing down. Yeah, I mean, you could. Yeah, we might as well take it.
it looks like it's
It is the strategy here, so
I just hope it doesn't start
nope, it's moving down.
I hope it doesn't start doing that. What's that one thing it does? Alternate. I don't want it to alternate.
Nope, it's going to pull down. It's going to pull down.
There we go.
There we go.
What's this? A 4th trade? Yeah.
This is a 4th trade, and it's going to be a win. I think it's going to be a win.
It feels pretty good. There's not a lot of low wicks. I mean, there's a couple high wicks, but it's been going down consistently. Let's believe for a good win here.
Yep.
This will be a 6th win, and we're going to re-enter. I'm going to set my
Yeah, as long as you reset, because as long as this wins here, and I think it's going to, then we're going to have our 6th win, and we're going to re-enter right away.
110, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. There we go. I entered.
You're in.
Second or two
We
early.
won. We're back in, and
Bam!
happy dance.
Let's
Because we're on
happy
trade
dance
number
that,
1
baby.
again. That is happy.
Trade number 1, baby. This chart, I feel like this chart has been kind of going back and forth, but it's wide open right now. I think this is going to win. I think we could win our next 5 or 6 right here, actually, to be honest with you.
It's very possible.
If we would have got in up here, we would have won 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a row.
Right.
We're already on 1 in a row here. This is Cisco, right? Cisco.
Yep. So we could, looks like we're going to get our 7th here, and then we will be back in for the 8th win here. Boom.
There's a win. Let's have another happy dance.
Another happy dance.
Doesn't it kind of feel like with this bidding method that it kind of starts off and we're like, nothing's working, and then all of a sudden we just find one and it just starts winning? I mean,
that's the beauty of this method. When you find a chart, this was my theory that I had in the car the other day while I was driving, like I do. I drive everywhere. And I was just thinking about this. What if we got in on these big just flows, whether it be up or down, but just get in on a trend and just kind of surf it. If you get a losing candle, you wait until it starts going back down or back up again, and you get back in. Okay, now the candle's getting a little shallow here, so I don't know if you want to re-enter, but...
No, I can't because that just lost.
Yeah, it just lost.
I got to wait. Okay.
The strategy says, though, that after this candle, if it's red, you can re-enter.
Yeah. I think it will. That was a barely loss, dude. That was crazy. I mean, that was... As soon as it lost, it shot down.
Right.
So let's see where this one ends. If it ends at all red, I'm going to take it. Unless it's a doji next to that green candle.
It's got to have some form of down pressure. Did you reset your trade to 240 or whatever it is?
Yeah.
So right now, I would not... If it's this size...
I think so. Look back 6 candles ago, though. Look at all those little candles that just kept going down. Boom, 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 boom. They were little. They were going down.
Yeah, that's true. They did keep going down.
I think we're okay. I don't know, man. I don't feel this.
Not now.
If
Not
it's
now.
green,
No.
I'm not.
Abort.
Well, you want me to take it now? No.
Yeah. Yeah, that's little, but it is going down.
Right. It's got down pressure. It doesn't have any up pressure past that wick. I mean, there's no upper wick. This could be... We'll just see. It's only a second trade. So
it's gonna go down. This is gonna... I believe this is going downward, and it's going to be a win for us.
I win a lot of trades back in the day of surfing like this, these little teeny candles. I mean, this doesn't scare me, this little green wick here. It's still, if it's got down pressure, then it's got down pressure. And actually...
And we're trading with the current here, so...
Right. Sometimes too much down pressure is bad. Like if these were big, giant candles, you'd be thinking, oh, they're going to retract. They're going to retract. But this wick we got 12 seconds and now it's starting to go down. It is being kind of a stinker on the upside here.
It is, but it's pulling down.
4 seconds. Oh, crap. I went to Facebook. No, that's not what I'm trying to do.
Oh, dang. No, it's not good.
Oh, that's a loss. I hit the wrong button.
Okay. Yeah, it's consolidating now. I think it might be at the bottom. What did you do? You went to
Nothing.
Facebook?
I clicked on, I was trying to open
on the stream?
Well, I just clicked on Facebook. I was trying to do a screenshot and I clicked on Facebook. Nothing happened on the stream. 5:40.
Okay, well, this is turning out to be a dud. Now it's just small candles of consolidation here.
Yeah, let's keep.
You got your trade set, trade amount.
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, hold on. What? CHF JPY, the Japanese yen. It's in a big uptrend.
CHF GPY?
Yeah. Might get a couple of red candles, but I don't know if it's rounding out or what, but
it's right at the... It's right at resistance. Look at USD. No, look at... Never mind. There's too much of this going on. I want a better downtrend. Cisco is where we just were, right? Is that where we just were? Yeah. Yeah, it's totally turning around. Or it's getting ready to go bounce off the white line. Oh, dang. Gold.
Okay, what about no?
What about gold, dude?
Hold on.
That's freaking crazy.
Let me go over to it here.
I mean, it's
Yeah. What are we looking like in terms of
I don't know about this. I mean, if it keeps doing what it's doing, it's getting up to there's some lines of resistance and pressure here. I mean,
does it look like it's already at kind of at
so there'll be a third trade.
yeah, so we got to win this one. Whatever we enter, we got to win it. We want to be kind of sure.
This big red candle is kind of scary, and this chart has a ton of wicks. I'm not totally in love with it, but it is kind of
What are you looking at?
the one that I was just looking at. What is it? Gold?
Okay, yeah, that's what I'm looking at.
Yeah,
It looks like there's going to be 2 red candles here, but then it could keep moving up from there unless it rounds out. Stochastic is kind of rounded out, but that doesn't mean anything because that's kind of a picture of what's happening. But it is looking like it's going down. It might just flip towards that white line. Or it could go back up. It's going to do one of those two things. If it goes down, it'll probably go all the way to the white line. If it goes up, it's going to go up from here, and it's probably going to go down no further. And it looks like it's going to go to the white line or something. Well, maybe.
keep your eye on it.
What are you watching right now? Because I'm looking at the chart, so I'm not looking at our stream.
I'm looking at crude oil. I'm thinking that it's possibly setting up to break through. Kind of scares me, but
Gold is going down.
is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, gold's on its way down. Gold's got double cross. Gold's got nice pressure down. It's not really our method, but
You could take a 2-minute put on this if you want.
it's possibly it's kind of in the same spot as crude oil in terms of like it's getting ready to set up for like it could be a pretty big downtrend right here, you know.
Mm-hmm.
But it could be a false double cross. It isn't
Which
really
could be like a
confirmed.
consolidation.
Yeah, it's not confirmed yet. Neither is it on crude. It's not wide open. It's just sort of giving us signals, but it's not really giving us confirmation.
Yeah, crude is kind of messed up right now. I don't know about crude right now.
Yeah, it's kind of. Yeah, I thought it was going to go up. See, that's what I mean. Sometimes these double crosses they give you that false sense, and you think they're going to go.
Silver's
And they
kind of
don't.
weird right now too. Man, everything's looking kind of nutty right now.
Ooh, Netflix. Go to Netflix, bro.
Okay.
Netflix is actually.
Yeah. What are we looking like in terms of resistance and whatnot?
I mean,
we're
there's
at a
not-
line right now. We're in a support line.
Kind of like a support line right there. Another one maybe like down here. But like it's crossed down, it's heading down. MACD's wide open, stochastic's kind of buried.
Yeah.
The moving averages are heading down unless they turn around.
I would like to see them break that support first, though, because those are pretty strong support lines. Because they're all kind of
that one support line it's at right now.
yeah. That's pretty. That's pretty solid through there. So if it breaks that, I'm kind of in on this. But if it
breaks it and keeps spreading down,
if stays with it, I don't know. Then I don't trust it.
Yeah, it could consolidate on this line.
Hey, you know what annoys me?
What?
That you and I are on the wrong sides on our thing.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Yeah, if you could
totally,
flip us, that would be great.
Yeah, that's totally wrong.
It's just my OCD.
Netflix looks decent, I guess.
Yeah, I think it's kind of, is it struggling at that line there?
It is right now.
So it's going to determine what happens here as to whether or not we want in on it, because it's kind of kicking up. I mean, it's having a hard time breaking that support line, and if it can't break that support line, then it's no good for us because we missed out on it.
Yeah.
Go look for some other.
Silver has a double cross. It's coming up. It's got some good up pressure, but it's hitting the white line. So, I mean, if it can, silver could turn into something. It's nothing right now. I mean, it's got the potential to become something, kind of like Netflix.
Doesn't everybody have the potential to become something?
Yeah, it's got potential. It's possible it's gonna.
Dude, Citigroup is paying 30% right now.
Yeah, let's get on that one.
Okay, Twitter. Twitter is kind of looking like it's in the same situation as what's that one we were just on? Netflix. But I don't know. What do you think of Twitter? What do you think it's going to do? It just kind of opened up. It was sort of tanking there, but it kind of looks like one of these ones that could turn into...
Kind of at the bottom, but if it...
Draw some lines, bro.
The indicators, okay, yeah, the indicators show me that it's kind of at the bottom of its movement, but, you know, you've got some there, you got some resistance there, you got some right here, you got some right here maybe. It's kind of at a top line right there. I mean, that's a lot of lines, so.
That is a lot of lines. But it's at one right now. I mean, it is literally at a line right now.
Yeah, Netflix hasn't broken it. Although, man, silver might be...
I'm going to look at silver right now.
Silver might be a gold mine on the calls pretty soon.
Yeah, there's a lot of snaking in this, though.
Right. If it can break above these snakes, though, look what it did before. It went straight up. Then it went down, up, down, up, down, up. And it's kind of hit that line, hit that line, hit that line. It's broke through the line. The MACD
you got
and
the top lines marked out? Because it looked like there's a line right up there where it's at.
Yeah, it's right here.
Yeah, if it breaks that, then...
And then it's like right here.
Yeah, if it breaks that, it's probably going to the next one. So
The blue and yellow are kind of pointing up like everything's
It looks
up.
like the wick is right at that line. I mean, it's right on that line.
Right, it is. Yeah. And so this, because it's a snaky chart, it could totally snake. But the indicators are all sort of pointing up, except it is in a downtrend. It's got some high wickage to it. Netflix is getting ready to...
Still thinking about breaking that line, but hasn't done it.
Yeah, it hasn't done it. It's still just sitting there. This one seems more promising to me, but this candle concerns me.
Again, everything right now is just struggling with these support and resistance lines.
Yeah, so this will be a third bid. Yeah.
Right, it's a third trade, so we want to make sure that whenever we enter on is going to work. So
it's at that line now. And let's see if it'll break it. I mean,
so far, no.
I want this to break through and just keep going up, but it feels like
if
it's
it
gonna
breaks through,
struggle.
I'm pretty confident it will get to that next line. If it breaks through, I think it'll go up to the next line, and I think we'll have a couple of wins in there. But it doesn't look like it wants to do it.
No.
Everything is kind of obeying support and resistance.
It hit that line, it bounced down. It hit that line again, bounced down. It kind of tried to hit the line again, it bounced way down. And this is what I think is more like the catapult rebound. I mean, I think it's going to go right through that line.
Yeah, if it breaks through there, I think it's going to be silver is going to be a gold mine.
This could be good if this was red, and then the next one went green, powerfully green.
So is it kind of sort of
it's still at the line
there, kind of consolidating right there because it's just having a hard time breaking through.
Yeah, but that's our token red. So now we need is one more green after this.
You're right, correct.
And it's sort of...
It is pushing above that line. So I'd say the next, and it's got some force to it.
Yeah, I think we should take this one.
So
indicators are up.
Unless this shoots back down, yeah, that is a...
Should I take a low bid on it or just wait till the end of the candle?
I'd wait till the end of the candle because we don't know.
It's getting up there. Look at that sucker.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It's all right if it retracts right here. It's got high pressure.
As long as it doesn't retract below the line.
Yeah, it's at the line now.
Okay,
that was like a perfect position, I think.
It's a good position, yeah. Now it's just got to get some more steam and pull back.
Let it get itself out of its system here. Early red is okay. Let it get its early red out of its system, and then let's watch the pressure. I like this one because the moving averages have kind of like arrowed through almost at a 90-degree angle up through the moving average, the long moving average. So, yeah, it's at that line now.
Starting to pull up a little bit here.
We got 15 seconds. I want this to go up. I think it's going to shoot up. I feel like it's just
it'll get some force to it. There it goes. Right. Come on, keep going.
If it can stay this way, then I'm going to set my bid back and take another one.
Keep going. It's got it.
3,
it's got it. It's
2,
got it. We got
1.
it. We got it. Bam.
Bam. Happy to answer that one.
All right. We got 8 wins in the bag here.
I re-entered, by the way.
Yeah, I see that.
I think because it's going to keep going up. I think this
yeah,
this is going all the way up.
Like I say,
here.
once it broke that line, I think.
Yeah,
I think
it
it's
keeps
going to
wanting
go
to
up
revisit
to the
that
next
line, but it's already above it. I think. Hopefully, we can just because it's 1, 2, 3, 4 in a red.
It's going to shoot up here in a second
1,
now.
2, 3 in a red.
It's going to get a little force, I think. Nope, maybe not.
That's
Come on,
okay.
give it a little.
I think
burst
you still got 15 seconds, so I think we're still good here. If it wins, we re-enter. If it doesn't, we're out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I lost it.
So, what do you think about this one, man?
Well, that's a loss there. That's a loss. We got 8 wins though.
Yeah, we got 8 wins. Think of that, dude. 8 wins. So do you think this is just, I mean, we probably can't bid like this. We need to go to look at Netflix. Man, Netflix still has not broken the line. It's crazy.
It still hasn't?
No, it still has not broken the line.
Still fighting it?
Still fighting it. But you know what? I think after this, we could ride Netflix up because it's clearly overbought, oversold, or what is it, it's oversold. If it comes out of this consolidation, it's going up to that white line. And I think I know it's out of our method a bit, but the MACD is getting ready to cross. Stochastic is crossed. I'm saying if it gets if it really breaks this consolidation.
Yeah, because it's at there's kind of a big support line back there.
And it's actually, it's what it's doing right now is it's
but it's been, if you look at this whole line of support, it's kind of the same height that it's been at.
Right.
But it does look like everything's getting a little higher. If anything, I would wait for this red line to go down and maybe take a 1 minute up. 1 minute
Well,
call.
I just want to watch them. I just want to see them cross. I want to see, is this really going to cross? The MACD is about to cross. The stochastic crossed. And then if it does, then if we think it's going to break the resistance, it's been consolidating for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 minutes. Where do we think it's going next? It's probably going up.
Yeah, if you would have taken that call that I told you to take, we'd be well into the money right now.
Okay, so
In a daggum good position.
should I be
but-
taking the call now? This is the green candle.
Well, yeah, I mean, yeah, you
I mean,
could.
now
It's
it's
gonna.
now.
It might go up. If that dips down, I would take a call. You got your
Okay.
bid amount set?
Yeah.
Okay. Let it dip down red there and then take a call.
Yeah, it's kind of a double cross, you know. Only thing is, we're banking on this right now. This is dangerous. 'Cause
It
it's
is
out of our
dangerous, but
method.
there's a big bottom wick on that previous candle. So
right.
uh,
Right now, what I think's happened is a double
the pressure
cross
is going
happening.
up. So
Yeah, it's consolidated. There's a double cross, and I think unless it just keeps consolidating, I think we might see this reach to the white line in the next 5, 6 candles. 30 seconds though. So this one's going to end. Could totally end red. It ends right here on this wick, and then it shoots straight up
I think
and
it's
goes up.
I think it's going to pull up. I don't know. It looks
Got
like
15
it could.
seconds. Yeah,
Whether it will in
that's
15
good. We
seconds.
got this to. What's this? That's not good.
That's not good. No,
No, that's not good at all.
we lost this one.
We lost it, folks. We lost it, folks.
Never play with the white lines, kids. It doesn't end well. And just for the record, that was outside of our strategy.
Yeah, that was a ding dong.
It is not our
ding-dong.
strategy for a reason. Since it didn't win, I'm going to go ahead and give Eric the credit for that one. If
Yeah,
it would have
I'll take-
won,
I'll
I
take
would have
the
taken
credit.
full credit for that.
I'll take the
but-
credit for that one. But
We're on a
Netflix
third
is-
trade now. That's not the end of the world for us.
We've got to continue with our.
But we got to
method,
find
though.
a good one because it's the third trade, and I don't want to go beyond the third trade. We haven't been to a fourth trade, have we? Or did we? Yes, we did once.
Yeah, we did once. Oh man, look at gold. Gold is starting to. Yeah. We only need what? 4 more wins.
Is that right? 4 more wins. 4 more wins. We can find them on a. If we find a good up or down trend, we can find.
There's still a lot of snaking and a lot of resistance tonight.
There is, yeah. The charts were a little bit smoother last night. Tonight they're kind of crap again.
They kind of are crap.
I'm just circling through all the stocks here. Seeing if I can find something decent. So far, no good. All the way up to McDonald's now. A lot of wicks. I'm seeing a lot of wicks.
Alibaba looks really, really good, dude. If Alibaba can, it's not so good, but it's kind of good. Netflix still just is not. I'm not taking out of our method again.
No, let's don't. Yeah, because if we're in our strategy and we find a good chart, we will crush this. Twitter is a nice downtrend. A lot of red candles, very minimal green.
Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah, Twitter's nice.
Very consistent pressure.
You want in on this one?
Is there any
15 seconds.
obvious?
Yeah, we're at a
support?
big line of resistance right now. We're a big line of support. Like this candle, that green line that it's sitting on is a big line of support.
Then let's wait because we're on a third trade.
Yeah, and
And we've been, everything has been consistently obeying support and resistance tonight.
yeah. So if this can get below that line that's sitting on my screen, that basically the bottom wick of that red candle, we'll be out of support. But that's what Netflix did, dude. It went right down and it just stopped at that support level, and it just hasn't been able to move on.
And so far, this isn't. It's showing signs already that it's struggling with it.
Silver has been killing it down. I mean, I'm so tempted to be on silver, but it's not really spread apart. But look at silver.
Yes, I see what you mean.
I mean, it's gutsy. It looks like it wants to go down, but I mean, it could just not go down.
Well, if it goes, it's probably going down to that support line anyway. So I'd say it's got another candle left in it, no matter what.
You want to take it?
I would take the next one. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I mean, could we get the off green? Maybe, but
Yeah, right. I think you're
but
right.
it's got a lot of pressure.
It's 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 got a lot of pressure, and it's slammed through there. So
It's going to continue downward here.
I think so. I think it'll go down. It's been going down. It's going up. That's a lot of red candles. Been kind of eyeballing it for a while.
It's still pulling down. So
What is this? A third trade? Yeah. Man, what the heck is wrong with this thing? Come on, 20 seconds. Come on, 20 seconds. Eyeball that lower level. Look at that thing. It just doesn't want to. All right, I'm out.
well, that's not good.
All
Like
right,
I
we're
said,
on
we could
fourth.
get the off green candle, and we did.
Again, that's not really our method. It's not really lined up. We got, what are we on? 4, 5, 6. So we got three
We got 3 trades left.
trades left.
Yep. We haven't
Yeah.
been to a 5th yet, so that's good. So we're
That's
doing
good.
Does this look like it's going straight back up, or do you think it's going to continue down, or do you think it's going to consolidate?
Which one?
Silver.
Yeah, I don't know what it's going to do. It's got all cracked.
That was a
It's all-
massive green candle. I mean, it just
yeah, it's all cracked up now. But because it's snaking, you can't really tell. It could just be like it just hit that low, hit a little bit, Really, we need our method, dude. We need a chart that's moving smoothly, moving in the same direction, or we're gonna get screwed.
yeah, we got to be careful now. We're on a 4th trade. So
like Cisco.
Cisco.
Yeah, look at Cisco because it's in the right direction.
A lot
It's
of red
above-
candles in that, though.
Right.
Almost as many red as there are green.
Yeah, I get you on that.
So that's very risky.
Yeah, it probably is. It's setting up to be a whole line of green. It's pointing up. I mean, there's 2 reds, 2 greens, red, greens. We can just watch it. That's what I'm thinking.
Twitter. Did it finally break that line?
Yeah, it kind of did. You went in on Twitter? I would take this. It's got all the indicators in the right direction.
Everything is in the right direction. So how many has it been getting?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I mean, it looks good.
Yeah, I mean, unless it just freaking tanked. Oh, look at that position. That's crazy. It kind of jumped. That makes me real nervous, dude. It jumped, but I got a better position, but it like jumped right on the trade. You see that?
Yep. So as long as it keeps pushing down, we got a good position on it.
Yeah, we got a good position. When it jumps, it usually goes back up, but I'm not saying I think it's going down. That would be good. So this will be a 4th trade. And a
This is
4th
going
one.
down, dude. I feel like this is gonna push down.
Yeah, it jumped and then it said nope. It jumped and said nope. I don't want to go that high. I want to go low. We need this win though because I want to be on a first trade.
That's what
wanna
I'm
be on a
saying. I
first
want to be
trade.
on a first trade. I like being on a first trade.
12 seconds. That does not look good for us, my brother. That does not look good. 5
No,
seconds.
it's pulling
7
down.
seconds.
It's pulling down.
5,
It's pulling
4.
down. Come on. Pull down. Go. There you go. Yep.
Yeah, baby.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh.
Baby.
Oh, one on a freaking doji, boy. All right.
Is this what you wanted to do with your evening? I
No.
mean, seriously, dude. I was watching, Love is Blind with my wife. Just reality TV shows, and I came in here to do this freaking crap. Getting our butts handed to us.
So here's the dealio. Tonight we're doing all this for about $11, roughly.
Yeah, baby.
In about, I think I counted it out to about 75 days. That's with progressing 10, dropping back 5, 10, 5, 10, 5. Up to about day like 40, where we're making like on track to win about 100,000 a year. We're making about 2,000 a week, but we don't even have to stay there because that's only making like, I don't know, like what, $50 trade or something, or $60 trades. I don't know, something like that. I got the chart, but
Yeah, it's a lot.
but yeah, it's day 45. You're making $48 trades, like $50 trades.
That's gonna get nerve-wracking, bro.
So yeah, but we're still
Yeah.
at 6 deep, just like we are now. So at day 40,
Go to Netflix again. Is that what we were just on? No. Netflix is finally broke down and it's in a downtrend. It's got a lot of.
okay,
Wix.
and it's just starting to open up.
It's starting to open up. I don't know. It might be too fresh. Let's wait a couple more candles because if it gets away from this line,
There's a lot of wicks there.
yeah, if it gets away from that line, I think we could win on Netflix. There's a lot of wicks though. Cisco is still doing kind of its thing. It's a lot of green and red intertwined, but it's still going up. I mean, it's making me nervous. I don't see anything tonight that's just wide open killer. We had a couple good runs, but they were short runs.
Mm-hmm.
They're just short runs. That's all they were. Everything else just looks like it's going to bounce. Yeah, nothing else looks... Amazon, if it can break over this, it might keep going. If it can break about where it's at now,
Yeah,
it's kind of turning up. I mean, it's been snaky. But
it's at a resistance line.
Yeah, right now it's right there. If it can break above that, then where's it going to head to? If it can break above that, then go up to there. Yeah. I don't know. I like Amazon.
Yeah.
It's open. It's not. I mean, it is snake. The only thing I don't like about it is keeping up, down, up, down, up. It could just be up, but I mean, if it breaks this, is it really going to break it and go? Amazon isn't going. It's not been going anywhere really hard.
Right.
So, this looks like your stair step, though.
It does. It does look like that, and the indicators have just crossed. They're starting to open.
It is at a resistance line, though. I
But
don't want
that-
to take this
yeah,
one.
that resistance is.
I want to watch it.
Well, it's going up, but it's about to hit another one real quick. So
Right. I think we can just watch it because if it keeps going, then we're good. Ooh, Netflix. Netflix, it's got some volatility, but it did get underneath, and it's starting to open up.
pulling up a lot though.
Yeah.
There's a massive green or red candle, and then
What
it
is this?
retracted. The next candle it went up.
Man, Euro RUB has been... Think about Euro
we're on
RUB.
our first trade, right?
Yeah. Think about Euro RUB is it's...
Massive wicks.
Yeah.
That's scary right there with a big, huge green candle and a big, huge red candle side by side. That's
Yeah.
just major volatility right there.
Yeah, there's these... Man, I think the only safe way to do this is to stick with our
USD
exact method.
US dollar, Canadian dollar. It's just kind of a bunch of U's. It's like Christmas garland, It's just down, up,
Yeah.
down, up.
That's terrible. That's what I mean.
But do you think it's going to go up to the next line? I mean,
no.
What do you think it's
I
going to
mean,
do?
I don't think it's safe to do that. USD CAD, is that what you're talking about?
Yeah.
It could, yeah. I mean, it could go up, but it's the indicators are all converging. I mean, yellow's going down, blue's going up. It's going through the white line. I mean, it could just start consolidating.
Another one to look at.
I think Netflix, dude. Look at Netflix. We're finally down on Netflix. There's not much support till you get down here. You got 5 seconds. That's a big old red candle, but it's been alternating. So let's wait.
Yeah,
It's been going red, green,
right
red,
after
green,
another.
red, green.
And that's a big red candle. So I don't know.
But look how the indicators are spread apart now, though.
Yeah.
And it looks like in general, it's broken away from its line of. I mean, the only thing that we don't have in Netflix that we've had that we really need is wide open. I mean, there is resistance coming,
Right.
you know. But then again, that's some good red. That's some good red. But you know, the indicators don't give me much other than they're pointing down. They're spreading apart.
You got 14 seconds. What do you think?
It's the first trade. I think we take it.
Okay, let's do it.
I mean,
You got the trade amount set. Here at 110, and boom.
I mean, unless this is a line of resistance that it's going to go obeying, then even if not, it could still go down a little bit. It's not to it yet.
No, I think it's going down.
I mean, we just need a break, bro. We're on a 9. Well, we've won 9 actually.
Have we? Yeah, we're at 9.
Yeah, we're at 9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've won 9 of them.
Okay.
We've got 9 of our 12 goal.
This is very, very strange. It's just sitting there. Could go either way. But I think because it's with the trend and the stochastic.
We're with the current, so
yeah.
It's hard
Stochastic's
to
opened
say.
up. Stochastic is kind of cricking down. I think it's going to push down.
yeah, it's
There
going
we
to
go.
pull down.
Do you want another
There
one?
goes.
I want another one on this one.
I would get right back in, yeah.
There we go.
Because
I mean,
is
it's
that
like-
is the method. We're surfing here. We are on a surf because we're in a trend. We're in a current. We're taking.
Sorry, I cut you off, bro.
We're in a current. We're surfing, and that's what we do. That's what we do. That's how we roll. As long as this pulls down in the next 30 seconds, gives us another win, we will be 1 win away from closing out the night.
It's interesting because this line of resistance that we're at right now is it was the bottom of a consolidation a while ago.
So are we at a line of resistance now?
Well, now it's bouncing up.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You think it's going to consolidate here?
maybe.
Could take a down bid because no, I wouldn't do that. But
I'm not going to do it, but I thought about it. It probably would win.
because the next candle's probably just going to go down in consolidation.
If it breaks this line, though, I mean, this is kind of moving slow. You're probably right, though. It probably is the line. Because if you look back at this consolidation, look at this. This is interesting. This is the consolidation line right there from back then. And look at it now. It's right in there.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe this does win. Or we're going for a $2.40 bid. If we were to get another red candle right here, I think we could take another down bid. If it's going to go red.
We
What do you
could,
think?
but it's kind of a high position.
Yeah,
So it
it's-
went way up there. So
You think?
Gotta be
But is it
careful
going to
with
go down? Right here? I mean, we can just watch it because it's a doge.
yeah, we're gonna have to watch this. Okay, show me. I'm gonna look. Show me that line you've got drawn there. Oh, it is like it's like right on that line. Just
Right, and look at this back here. Look at this consolidation back here. Look right here. It did it. It's like boom, 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 boom.
Yeah. That's a decent line of support there.
Yeah, so it's at the top here. This is it right here. We could have taken a down bid. I don't think we should take an up bid on this one. Actually, we probably could take an up bid on this one. I probably won't. But if it hits that top line again, we should probably go ahead and...
Take a
Actually,
call.
it's not...
Why would you take a call here?
I wouldn't. I would take a put here. I'm saying wait till it gets back up here, though. Because this is...
You're saying if it gets to the line, take a call?
No, don't take a call at all. That was a misspeak. If it gets up to this green line, I could take another put.
Yeah.
Like if it's going to consolidate here, then we can probably... Like, what I was saying is because I think I was thinking of taking a call here because it's probably going up because we're in consolidation. But what I'm thinking is if you want to play consolidation...
Take the flip-flop here?
Take the down bid here because it is going to go down. If it gets up here, then I could take a down bid on it.
Depends how high this is going to go because it has been. Notice that it's a higher low and a higher high, so it's kind of gradually moving up a bit.
It goes up, it goes down.
So I'm afraid if you get a
it could be
put
heading
in
up.
there, it
That's
could
right.
move up.
It's dangerous. It's dangerous because it could just be crossing to go to an uptrend.
Right.
Let's get off this because
It is jank wank-a-dank, like you
it's
said.
jank wank a dank, dude. It's a long episode tonight.
Yeah, we're going for 12 wins nowadays. We are at a 9% growth is what we're doing. That's a lot. Dude, that is a lot of growth.
Yeah.
So just imagine when we work our way up here in just about a month and a half or so, a couple months to like $30 bids, $30 trades, $40 trades, $100 trades, and we're doing 12 of those a night.
Well, look at. I don't know. I don't see anything else right now, but I realize it's getting late, and we just need 2 more wins.
I know. We were so close. We're so close.
Yeah, unless we're just gonna. There's nothing. It's getting kind of late, right? But it's. I'm not worried about how late it is.
Twitter is sort of. It went to the line, and it's kind of going back down now. I don't know what to make of this. I mean.
Yeah, Twitter went to the white line, didn't it?
Yeah, I kind of figured it would. I know that there is at least 1 or 2 folks watching us right now.
Yeah, do you see any chart that looks like, oh yeah, this is just opened wide up for an up trade, you know? I mean, oh, maybe gold.
Gold
Dude,
looked like
I like gold because it's going up. It's got a line of resistance here, way up here. No, gold has just been doing this all night. It isn't broken out yet. I need to probably find one that actually has the possibility to break out.
crude oil is it's just like massively flip-flopping. I mean, like that's insane. Did we trade on that earlier?
I think we did.
It's got a lot of wicks.
Oh yeah, dude. Twitter
Is silver okay? Silver.
Twitter's just converging is what it's doing.
I don't like silver. We'll go look at currencies real fast.
Netflix is
Here soon, everything's going to flip over to 92% payout.
yeah. Is that good?
I mean, it pays more.
Okay, look at Euro RUB.
I'm already on it. I was on it when you said it looks like it's setting up to draw some lines, brother. Let's see what it See what we
Yeah.
got.
Well, I
in
mean, the
terms
only
of-
line you got is this one down here.
Okay.
If this doesn't turn around here,
And the white line, the long
yeah,
range.
it's got some wicks, but yeah, I mean, we're on a second bid. I don't want to.
I don't really want to go to another third one.
This one right
Fourth
here
one.
is all saying down. I mean, you want to take a down bid on this and just think it's going to tank. It has been sort of doing this a lot.
I get nervous anytime I'm one candle beyond the white line.
Yeah,
but
you're right. We might want to wait for it because if it kind of keeps breaking through here and doesn't consolidate at all, if we get like another one or two red,
because right where it's at, there that is sort of a little like look straight back from there. You don't have a line, but right there, that scares me. There's some sideways movement right there, and
but look at the MACD and the stochastic, and look at this big red candle.
yeah, they're kind of wide.
We're
open.
beyond the red. We're beyond the white line now.
So at the bottom of this one, take a put.
I think we can. I mean, there's a crick in the
It's got some
stochastic.
retraction, but it's got a lot of retraction.
There's a crick in the stochastic now.
Yeah, abort.
Okay, I'm gonna abort this one. Wait till it's got to be smoother than that.
And it's got to not be green.
Yeah, it's cricking, but I think it still will go down. But we have to see a little more. What's that called?
Yeah, that kind of did a fake. It went beyond the line, and then it said, no, I can't.
Yeah, anytime it goes beyond the line, and actually right now, if I was going to do anything, I'd be taking calls.
Right.
I'd be taking calls from viewers. Because it's hit that white line. I'd be taking like a 2-minute call. But it could consolidate because it's got... This isn't our method either, so what's Twitter doing? Twitter's more our method.
Sometimes we have to roll with the punches, to get
Yeah.
to get wins here. I mean, we have to work with the charts that we're handed here.
Yeah.
And if you are watching us, just know that you could be in our inner circle and you could be watching us trade with your money. So you can actually set up an account. You can follow us through social trading, and every trade we place, it places the same trade in your account. So you don't even have to be at your computer. You can just copy the trades that we're making. It'll do it all for you. Okay. So
Twitter. I think Twitter is kind of setting up for an uptrend here.
that's where I'm at.
It's
I'm
cutting
on Twitter.
through. It's cut through the white line. It's that nice solid green candles.
Is there?
MACD is up.
You got a new achievement. The number of trades more than 1,000. Nice.
Whoa. Okay.
I'm in my wife's.
All right. Do you
account,
want to
so-
take? I think we might want to wait.
Yeah, we do want to wait because here again we're dealing with a white line.
Right. But I think we need to really look at Twitter. We'll keep our eye on Twitter.
That's where I'm at. I'm gonna keep watching it
Just
because
watch Twitter. I'm gonna look.
we can
I'm gonna
knock out
surf
these
it.
last 2 wins and we will be good to go.
Yeah, watch Twitter because I think it's wanting to, unless it turns around. It's not really, unless I find something that looks amazing. Just keep your eye on Twitter.
Okay, I got my eyes on Twitter.
Interesting, man. We have been here all night surfing and not finding a single breakout wide open.
Right.
It's okay. It's all right though.
But we're still in the game. Are we on a second trade?
Yeah.
Okay, that's doable. I can live with that.
Tons of big wicks, tons of consolidation tonight. I've had a couple bad turnarounds on us.
Yeah.
Twitter hasn't convinced me, hasn't broken that line yet.
No. Holy smokes. Dude, look at Visa. dude, that is a massive. Like I wouldn't do it, but I am so tempted to just flip that like a cheese omelet.
Yeah.
Take
would.
a call right at the bottom of this candle because you know that next one is just shooting up green.
I don't know, man.
I'm not saying to do it. I'm saying
green,
you
red,
know
green,
that
red,
that's
green.
gonna,
Yeah, it has been, hasn't it?
Yeah, I mean, I'm not saying I would do it, but yeah, I mean, there's no way with the force of this candle and that pattern, this next one.
I don't know. Now you're talking about taking a call on a downtrend. All these indicators are pointing down now.
Well, they're pointing down because of the force of that candle.
Yeah, and it's at resistance.
That candle
right
is
now.
manipulating those.
You want to take a
indicators.
call on it? I don't know, man. Because this could
wouldn't.
just go 4
I
candles
wouldn't,
down.
but I wouldn't. But I think that's what's going to happen. But what I would do is take if you get a big green candle here, I would be somewhat inclined to take a put on it.
It's at its line right here. I mean, this is its line right here. It's broken through that line. All the indicators are down.
Oh,
It
it's
looks
at
like
it's at a support now.
It's broke through it. Yeah. It's creaked
So
down.
did it break out of that big consolidation?
Yeah, it broke out of it big
And
time.
it broke hard too.
Yeah, I think we can take a down
Well,
bit on this.
we might be able to take us a put here.
Yeah, there's nothing. There's still some lines of resistance there. I mean, it's. You want to put on this? I mean, it's.
Heck yes.
I mean, it's crazy because it could just go flying straight up. But
It could, but I think it's more likely
But I
to
think
go
you're
flying
right.
straight down.
I think you're right though, because it broke down on it, and it's got some volatility. But this last couple candles have been very sure of themselves. Plus the stochastic is down, the MACD is down, the moving average is down. We'll see if we can get this in here. I mean, it is kind of a breakout trend. It's done it
Yeah, it's
before.
all it's got to do is turn around and just pull back down and keep going.
Look, it's done it before. Boom, 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 up. Boom, 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 boom. Did we get in it too late? It's 20 seconds, so let's see. 20 seconds.
And it's
20
going to pull
seconds.
back down. I think it's
15
got some
seconds.
down pressure here.
20 seconds, 15 seconds.
There it goes. It's going to bust down here.
And I got a little screenshot of that because that's crazy. That's crazy town.
It's going to pull down. It's going to pull down.
Come on down.
pull
Come on
pull
down. Come on. Come
Pull
on down,
pull
baby.
pull
Come on down, baby.
down.
Oh, that's a loss.
Come on, you piece of...
What is this, a second bid?
Third.
Yeah. No, now we're on a third. Okay. Where was I at? That was kind of crazy. Why did I let you talk me into that one?
Why did you talk me into that?
I don't know. I like that one. Ooh.
Well,
ooh.
it was showing
Ooh,
every sign of
Cisco.
big massive breakout there.
Cisco looks like it might actually be a good one for real.
Well, we're on a third here, so we got to
Well, it's fine.
got to make this count.
Cisco's really
looking good. Yeah.
Cisco's
How
really
many-
good.
How many? On average, how many?
There's 3 and then a green, 2 and a green, 2 and a green, 5 and 2 greens.
So we're on 4. Okay, ready? Let's just take it. Or do you want to wait?
I wasn't ready. I wasn't.
Okay, well, let's
I was-
just wait then. Let's wait.
I was
'cause
thinking like because of the pattern, maybe we
yes,
shouldn't.
yeah, good idea. I was thinking that too, and I'm glad we didn't.
I think if this one goes to another red candle, then we could be good. Then we could be real good.
Yeah, it could be.
I mean, Twitter is just, man, it's just not. It's not feeling right.
We're on a third trade. You got your amount set?
Oh yeah, yeah, I do.
You
We're
got
on
the decimal
Cisco.
in there?
Yeah,
Decimals matter.
Cisco. I'm still trying to find some normalcy of openness. I mean,
Really? And then this one's going to end red. Are you freaking serious?
oh, it is. Yeah.
Looks like it.
Well, I mean, I don't know. You want to get in on it then? It looks
Yeah, I would take a
Two.
put on it.
1. Yeah, I mean it's
There it goes.
okay.
Yeah,
it's
we got
okay.
it. We got it.
Yeah, yeah.
This looks kind of reassuring here. I think that the force that just showed.
Yeah, that
looks
green,
like it's-
that red candle that we just missed on was its green candle. It just ended red. I think it was its up pressure, and it said, "No, I'm not going to go up. I'm going down."
Yeah.
Loss. Let's see if this one wins, and then we can take. Whether it be a 10. This would be our 11th win if we win this one. Was you on a third bid? Okay.
Yeah, this is going to go down. I have some faith that this is going to go down here.
And do you want to be back in on this?
If it goes down, we got one more, right?
Yeah.
So
Come
yeah,
on
if this pulls down here, then yeah, definitely get
baby.
in. You got
Come
your
on,
amount
baby.
reset.
Yeah. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Boom. Boom. Did we
Wanna
get it?
wait?
We got it.
We got it. I didn't enter back in. Oh no, that was a
Oh,
bad position.
crap.
Oh, that was a 5. Okay. I reset my amount. Thank God. I thought I didn't.
Well, let's do a happy dance because
10. Oh yeah, happy dance. And we're gonna have our last win, I think, when we come back, folks. Over as soon as we get done with this win, I think this is going to go down. As soon as we get done with this win, let's go over our. We'll go over our whole night.
this one we just kind of lost some position.
Yeah, I was trying to let it snap up first, and it did, but then
Then it
it's kind
shot
of
down
it's
before
kind of flirting with the money and in the money and out of the money.
Yeah, this we'd be in good shape if we had,
Maybe it's still
if it can
2
push
point-
down a little bit.
2.40.
No, looks like we didn't get it.
Okay, so that's
Well,
all right. We need one more win. Do you think it's going to be on this chart right here?
go ahead and set your amount to 240.
Yeah, it sets it mounts at 240. I don't know about this chart, man. I think let's watch this and see what the pressure looks like. It's starting to creak up. Right? It's kind of turning around.
Wait a minute, bro.
What?
Okay, I was just looking at Heidi's trading amount here. Okay, we got a problem. We did not win that. We tied it. That was 540 and we
Oh.
tied it.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Well, let's deal with that later. We're on a second trade right now. You're right. That is a tie. Okay.
So do we want to make this up in 1 or 2?
I think we just
So we need to make up another 540 plus.
yeah. Let's just win this. Let's just win this trade, and then we'll go back to that 540 trade.
I mean, I think everybody following us has enough in their account to do it in 1, but it's up to you if you want to be ultra safe about it.
Let's be ultra safe because I mean.
Okay, all right. So
it's
do you
a
want to
third
do the
trade.
540 one first?
No, let's do the 241. Then we'll have to win that one. I mean, I think we're just on a
I think we should do the other one first, but
540.
yeah, probably. Okay,
Ooh.
look at American Express. We're like at a
No,
yeah. I see that.
I mean, you want me to just tell you that there's a big line of resistance right here?
I can see it.
Look at that mess. Dude, what we should do right here is take like a 3-minute call.
I was thinking that. I was thinking about it.
I mean,
I was actually.
I don't really know though, because I've done that before and then I just totally lose my butt. You know?
Was that 540? That was a third trade, right? Or was
Yeah.
it a second? It's third.
It's a third trade.
Well, honestly, does that show signs of going back up? What was it? What was
No.
that we were just on? American
I
Express.
mean, yeah, American Express. We were on Cisco and it's just sort of consolidating. Netflix is there, just kind of going up and going sideways. If we're trying to stick with our method, then we're on a third trade. So,
Okay, well, this is broken down beyond
what is this? What is this you're on?
American Express. But the thing is I don't know how much beyond there it's going to break down.
Well, I mean, yeah, I mean, I guess you're right. It has broken down. Let's draw some lines and think about it.
Draw some lines. I got to go pee real quick, dude. I'll be right
Okay.
back. Don't take a trade without me.
Okay, I'm not going to. It looks like that could be good. I'm just going to watch that, though. American Express. Cisco's going down. Anyway. So I'm just going to be watching these and see what happens here. Amazon, nothing there. Amazon. Silver. None of these charts are looking like they're just going to blow out into a big trend, which is not great for us. We could start taking some double crosses, but those are always a little bit risky. Yeah, that's a decent downtrend, but has it done that lately? And is it going to continue? Brent oil. McDonald's. Oh, look at this line up there. Visa. Yeah, nothing here on these charts that I see are very. Oh, this one is good. Cisco. Yeah, Cisco is actually probably my favorite chart of them all. Cisco's really good. I think in terms of our... Cisco's really good. If he gets back, I think Cisco could... Okay.
What do we got?
You're back, and I think Cisco... If you kind of see what Cisco's doing... It's going down like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Getting a couple green, and it's going down green. It's going down 3 red again. It's no real high wicks. I think Cisco's a good downtrend. I mean, it's one we were winning in before, and it's back
But
down.
have you
below.
seen American Express? It is massively tanking.
Yeah. Do you want to do on Cisco or not?
I'm not in Cisco.
Well, you only got 5 seconds.
Okay, if you think so, take it.
Yeah, I don't know, man. I didn't have your approval.
I don't know. It doesn't look safe to me right now.
Well,
it's already at 3 and it's shooting up. So,
well, I think American Express, is that the one we were in before?
I don't know, but it's got a green candle too right now. So,
yeah, no. Cisco looks like
both of those were turning out to be duds. What is this trade? Which one are you making up right now?
I'm making a third trade.
So you're on 540.
I think we should take Cisco next red candle, if it is a red candle. It's got like 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's a downtrend. It's all opened up.
Okay.
This is going to be red.
Okay.
It's been red. It's a little red, but I mean, it's been going red.
Do you want to take it for 1 minute or 2?
I just want to take a 1 minute.
Because it's kind of small right here.
I'm going to take a 2 minute.
No, it's green, so you can't.
Okay. I'm not going to take a 2 minute. Are you crazy?
I'm not crazy.
I just want to see another red candle. So this is good. This is green. This is nice. This is fine. If this one goes red, then we have a little pattern here. I mean,
we do, and then there's like 2 green, 1 red, 1 green, 3 red.
Right. It doesn't look like it's consolidating, is what I think. Is it?
But they're moving slow. It's a very slow moving chart.
That's okay.
That's why I feel like if it's going to continue downward, I think we'd be ultra safe with a 2 minute bid, 2 minute trade. But I don't know.
Well, if we're going to do that, then we can take a 2 minute on this one, or is it? It's at the bottom of this little line here.
Is there a? Let me see.
I'm going to wait and see what happens. I'm going to wait and see if it pops up, because if it pops up, I'll just take a 2 minute when it gets up higher. Because, it's like, I think I should take a 2 minute now.
Okay.
Well, let me wait and see if it...
But, okay, let's see what it does here. All right, you could take it now if you want.
Yeah. I mean, it's been kind of doing this, going up a little bit, going down. The indicators are all tanking, dude. So this is a tie. We're on a 540 bid. We tied a 540. Okay. We had a loss, and then a tie. Oh, this looks like it might be a good win, bro.
Yeah, sure could be, as long as it goes in. I'm thinking it'll get even another candle after this.
So you want to take our second trade here as well, or just want to wait? Because we have a 240 trade to make here. Do you want me to take it now?
We definitely want to be sure this one wins first.
Well, I guess that's true. Let's just wait till this.
Because we've done that before, and it's not fun. So
I think you have your win here, bro.
I think so.
Good call.
As long as there's not a.
Well, I mean, there's not any big green candles anywhere.
No.
You want to take another 2 minute down, or you want to just wait till
We'll wait for the next candle.
Okay. 45 seconds. 39 seconds.
You got the bid set to the trade set to
$2.40, which would be, is that what we were on? We were on a second bid, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
We tied the 540, we lost, so yeah. So next one's got to be a 240, and I think I should just take it. Regardless, I should just take it now.
You taking a 2 minute or one?
I think one.
Okay.
What do you think?
I would wait for. Well, I mean, we got a green candle here, so if you want to wait for a second, I mean, I think we got our win there on that.
We did get our win. Do you want a 1 minute 30 second bid when if it jumps up?
Yeah, I mean, we're in a good downtrend, so you could do a 1 minute and 30.
Well, I'm gonna wait till it pops up because I don't know what this candle's gonna be.
Yeah, we don't know. Could do a couple of greens here.
I don't need to do a 1 minute 30. I just need to do a 1 minute. Right? We just need one more red candle after this.
Yeah, where it's only a second trade, so.
Then we'll do our happy dance. Let me focus. This is
Right,
the bottom of this little green thing. This makes me nervous that it's at the bottom of this green, but there's
and
no
it hasn't
top
broken
wick.
the bottom of that green either.
Right. Oh, there it is.
But if this hops up, I would take a 1 minute and 30.
Okay.
If it pulls up a little bit.
Yeah, it's positioning now.
Just kind of let it stabilize.
Stochastic is
let it pulse up and then take it.
From here?
Well, I mean, I don't know if you're going to.
You mean you want to get up to the? Yeah.
I don't know how much better you're going to get.
I might get a little better.
You might get green. Better. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm going to get green. There. That's a 130.
Don't think you're going to get better than that. You might, but
no, I think it's going back down.
I think it's going back down from here. So.
Okay, so we have. Let's do a little happy dance just for the people on. I have 1 minute 7 seconds. So this next candle, if it doesn't just,
there goes.
This is our 12th win. This will be our 12th win here.
Oh yeah,
man! Tonight was well. This is what I can't even talk, man. Like, whoa! This is what we're looking for.
Like Mickey Mouse.
Oh, my vecino, gonna go down. We got people watching, man. They're on the edge of their seats.
Yeah, I want to give a quick shout out to everybody in Montana who's watching us, folks. We love you. Thank you for watching. It's been a great night. Aaron Gobra.
30 seconds left on this.
It's technically not St. Patty's Day
25
anymore
seconds. This could be a loss. So let's wait. Give him some shout outs.
No, it's going to go down. It's going to go down. Let it go down.
Shout out all the Redskin fans. 18 seconds. Shout out all the Redskin fans. All the people who wear red. All the people who think about red. This is going to be a win. This is going to be a win right here. going
Yep,
down.
down. There it
5
goes.
seconds.
Down.
About 5 seconds. 5 seconds. We're in the money. We're in the money. We're in the money. We're in the money. We're in the money.
Down. Yeah.
Happy dance, dance, boom, bam. Happy dance, happy dance, happy dance. Yeah, my brother in green.
All right. So
All right, you
things
shout
that
out
are
your
green.
friends.
I'll tell you what things I like that are green. Besides money, all the little digits in our pocket option account. When you look at your closed trades, if they're green, that means you won them. And it looks like we did get 11 wins, 12 wins. I mean, and 2, 3.
That's what it was. I'll tell you what it was. It was a loss, a win, a win, a win, a loss, a win, a win, a loss, a loss, a loss. That was our fourth trade on a win. That was sixth win. Then we had a win, a loss, a loss, a win, a loss, a loss, a loss. Went to a fourth trade again on our ninth trade. Ninth trade was a win. 10th trade was a win. And then we had a loss, a tie. And then our third, our second, we went to 1, 2. Our third bid again was a win, and then our last bid was a win.
So
on a night.
How much money did we end up bringing in tonight?
So if you look at our chart, and you get this in our inner circle, guys, if you're in our inner circle, we won $10.21 tonight. $10.21.
Are you
What
sure?
really excites me, yeah, I'm pretty sure. Because I have the perfect chart now. You can get this chart if you sign up for our.
But are the makeup trades exact? Is what I'm wondering. Because they're rounded too. So does that mean that you get? Are they rounded?
We might have made like $10.40. We might have made it rounds them up a little bit, like by 3 cents.
So
by 3
if
cents. It's rounding up by 3 or 4 cents. Oh, you're not seeing my chart. Sorry, people. Anyway, I'm
because
going to bed,
technically $1.10 you make 88 cents.
Yeah, are you going OCD on me? You going
should
full
be
OCD?
10.56. That's why I'm wondering if it's exact on the.
It's
on
not
the
exact.
makeups.
I mean, on the chart, it's saying we won $10.21. But if you want to go back and actually, Pocket Option will send us an email tomorrow morning. It'll tell us exactly how much our accounts.
It will. That is true.
So,
It's part of being on the Pocket Option app. It's gives you the economic news. It tells you how much money you made.
Yeah.
And just think, in just a few short months here, we're going to be getting that notice. It's going to be like you made $1,000 last night.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah. So if you're not part of our inner circle, then what you waiting for? Because let us do the trading for you if you don't want to learn to do it.
Exactly. So join the inner circle and check out the website, Fascinating World of Binary Options. I'm going to put the podcast up right now.
And it doesn't cost you anything to follow us. If you just want to follow us, I mean, there's risk. Just know that we could lose all your money, but
yeah,
we'd be losing our own money, and we're pretty careful. As you've seen from tonight, we didn't get anywhere near our sixth trade, so we stayed out of the danger zone pretty well. We went to a fourth 2 times out of the.
Yeah, but we made a couple stupid decisions tonight. To be honest. We went off of our plan at least once, maybe twice. Right. That bid we made on that giant candle, that's not very good.
No.
That's dumb.
But here again, we stayed out of the danger zone, and that's what we're aiming for, is to stay away from 5th and 6th bids. Even a fourth trade, if we can avoid it, we'll do it.
Yeah.
But overall, another successful night. So yeah, it's been a good night. Happy St. Patrick's Day, everybody. We will be back again tomorrow night, Friday night. Everybody have a great night, and we'll see you again.